How to hang a door. Let's go.
First things first, check which side the lock block's on. It'll tell you at the top of the door. That's for your handle and your lock.
Make sure your door's cut to suit so it sits in the frame nice. Then pack your door up with a packer on the top for a gap. Once packed up and sitting nice, mount your hinges. Put a small X on the side your hinge is going to be so you don't get mixed up. Then clamp your Geordie joiner hinge rig on. Set your depth and cut away. Trim the edges and fix it in. Always pre-drill and screw in. So when you come to hang your door, what you want to do is grab the top of the door, lean it forward like that, and then just kick the back end of the door until that sits in your hinge row. Hold it in nicely like so. Get a fixing in wherever you can. Fix that in there. So that's the top fixed. And then pull your bottom out, suit, and fix that also. Screw it up fully and try your door to see if it shuts. And that's the door in. If you'd like to see how I do the handles, drop a follow, like and comment. Thank you.